Hey folks, I'm going to walk you through review 1 in Python, and I'm literally going to go through the PDF. So if you haven't done so already, open up the PDF from today's lesson and let's look at what it says. The first thing I asked you to do is open a REPL, and remember you log in using Google, not you don't have your own password, you're using your school email. And then I'd like you to make the project be named review 1. And then the first thing I have you do is type print howdy, and then run, just so you can remember, hey, see, printed howdy, we're all good. Then I give you a block of code, and I say you feel free to copy it and then bring it over here and paste. And we have to fix the indenting because whenever you have a loop, this is a while loop, the things inside the while loop have to be indented. That way Python knows what's in the loop and what's not in the loop. But this is setting a variable to 0. And then, hey, as long as x is less than 4, it's going to print x and then add 1 to x. So we're going to get the number 0, 1, 2, 3. And then it's going to print done. And then it's going to print howdy 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And notice there's this phrase in text and then a time symbol and x. X, even though the loop's done, x has a number in it still. And yeah, anyway, I said, you could change this in some way and see what happens. Like if you go to 8, then it'll go 0 through 7, and then it's going to print done, and then it's going to print howdy 9 times, or 8 times, I guess. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Another thing you could do is put your name in a variable and then print the variable times x, and then we'll get that over here. And if I wanted spaces between them, I could put a space right here, and then it would look like I'd put spaces between them. Okay, and then we're going to the next page of the PDF. I'm showing you how to get information from the user. Oh, there goes my phone, just getting busy. I'm going to say name equals input. Please enter your name. So instead of having this command where I just store it, I'm going to get rid of done. I'm going to get rid of the loop. I don't think we need the loop anymore. I'm going to say x equals 6. Please enter your name, print name times 6 in this case. So, all right, and then the next command is please enter a number. I'm just working my way through the document, the review document. So now we have please enter your name. In fact, let's get rid of print howdy. That's not needed anymore. This isn't the assignment, by the way. This is just to review what we're doing. And then the assignment is coming up. So I'm asking the user for a name. I'm asking the user for a number. And then I'm going to print the name that many times. All right, here we go. Please enter my name, Mr. Hayes, 1,000. All right, well, I got 1,000 Mr. Hayeses. All right, and then next up, there's another while loop. So let's do this. While true, this repeats forever. N equals input. Please enter your favorite class. And then if n equal math, print you win, break, else, print try again, continue. So the continue command tells Python, go back to the start of the loop and start over. The break command tells Python, hey, bail out of this loop. So we run this now. Entered Hayes and 4. Now favorite class, programming. So let's try again. Okay, and if I say math, it's going to say you win, and it quits. So technically, we don't have to say continue here because it's in a loop and it's going to continue anyway. But I just wanted you to see that command because sometimes you do have to say continue for some reason, like go back to the start. You can evaluate things using an if, else, elif statement. Like I could put elif and equal programming, print. That's what I'm talking about. So now I have 2 ways to break out, math or programming, and then else. So what's happening is one of these 3 blocks of code is going to get run no matter what. Only one of them though. So when you do an if, elif, else, it's only going to execute one of them, which is fine. If you wanted to trigger on different things and say different things in different cases, you could do this as separate if statements. Anyway, that's all the running up to today's programs. And then I said delete everything. So delete everything. I'd like you to put your name at the top, and you might as well say review 1 there also. And it says ask the user their name. So name equals input. Please enter your name. Ask the user their age. Age equals, and we have to do int input. Please enter your age. Notice there's 2 close parens here. There's 2 open parens over here. Print the username as many times as the user's age. Okay, so that's print name times age. That's the easiest way to do that. And then use a while true loop. Ask the user to enter information. Don't make your program ask about pets or teachers. Those were my examples. Also make yours different from, okay. So let's say while true. And I'm going to do pets again. I'm going to do, the example I did, and you're not allowed to do this. So pet equals input. Please enter the best pet. So listen, you could do favorite video game, favorite television show, favorite artist, least favorite food. You just can't do pets, and you can't do the other example that I did in my document about teachers. So inside here, use an if, elif, else statement to pass judgment on the user's entry. So if pet equal dog, print best pet ever. Break. Elif pet equal chicken. Print I love chickens, but do they really make a good pet? Continue. And then else. I need you to have an if, elif, and an else. And the else is like any other animal. Print meh. Continue. Okay, so let's run what we have so far. Please enter your name, Hayes. I am 57. There's 57 Hayeses. Please enter the best pet. Gopher, meh. Cat, meh. Chicken, I love chickens, but do they really make a good pet? And dog, best pet ever. So there I tested everything. And it says use a break to leave the loop when the user enters a particular answer, but after you comment on that answer. So I did that already. Best pet ever, break. Okay, that's the whole program for today. And then I need you to do the invite, to do a share link, and copy, turn that in. That's all we're doing today. So hope that helped. Please do something besides pets. Thanks.